Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to re-edit a Google form. If you need to make changes to Google Forms after creating it, Google Forms allows you to edit questions, settings and design elements at any time. This is useful for correcting mistakes, updating information or modifying responses options without creating a new form. Now let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open your Google form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com. Search for it in Google and click on the website that says workspace.google.com/product/forms and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now after you log in, select the form you want to edit. For example, I'm going to select this one. The second step is to modify questions and content. Just click on any questions. For example, I'm going to click on this one and you can edit, you can change the question, you can change the appearance of the question. You can edit the text. You can also add a question by clicking on the plus button in this menu right here. And just like this, you added a question. You can use the drop down menu next to each question to change its type. For example, multiple choices, short answers or drop down. You can select it from here. You can click the image or video icon to add media. As you can see, you can add media by clicking on this image icon, and you can add a video using this image, this video icon. Third step is to adjust the form settings, and you can do this by clicking on the settings section right here and modify options such as collecting email addresses, limiting responses, or enable editing after submission. You can see all these options right here. You can click on responses to elaborate the responses section and click on the, you can change all these options right here. You can also change the theme and layouts by clicking on the pals icon at the top to customize the form's colors and fonts. As you can see here, you can also upload a headers image. And as for the fifth step, save and share the updated form. Changes are saved automatically. Click send to distribute the updated form via email, linked or emd code. Google Forms makes it easy to edit forms anytime, ensuring your survey, quiz, or application stays up to date. Whether you're fixing typos, adding new questions, or changing settings, all modifications are instantly applied without needing to resend the form. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.